Only one screwdriver needed. Replace weak Lexus hood struts in minutes. This shows how the clip is released before removal. The same step applies when removing the old strut from the car. Remove the old hood gas spring from the ball stud. Install the new gas spring and press it into place. Repeat the same operation on the other end. Loosen the U-shaped band first, remove the old strut, then install the new one. Smooth opening, stronger support, safer use. Gastac provides high-quality Lexus hood gas springs with competitive prices. We supply gas springs for a wide range of Lexus vehicle models.